Hi, I'm Chelsea with ISCO Industries. Thank you for giving us a couple minutes of your time. We know you're very busy, but these few minutes could save you thousands of dollars. We want your project to be as profitable as possible, but damage to rental machines can eat away at those margins. So we'd like to make you aware of the root causes of a large percentage of the damage we see in order to help you avoid the same roadblocks. So let's get started. Our two biggest tips. First, always have solid control of the pipe before you enter the safety zone around the machine. Second, take time to ensure you're doing a proper heater removal process and that all parts are clear of the jaws before moving the carriage. Believe it or not, one of the most expensive parts of this machine to replace is the power cord. It can cost around $5,000 to replace, so please stay vigilant about the location of the cord. We recommend marking the area so others are aware as well. The upper jaw on these machines can also cost thousands of dollars to replace. We see these damaged when the pipe is not carefully loaded into the machine. Using a spotter is an easy way to avoid this mistake. Move the pipe with care and attention to the location of the machine. It's too easy to get in a rush when we're working long days, but again, that can lead to costly errors. So please pay attention to where each component is while operating the Fusion machine. If you're not paying attention to the position of the heater or facer while you're indexing the carriage, there are several parts that can be damaged. The heater and facer splicer plates, the pivot cylinder, heater butt plates, bags, and heater cage, as well as the electrical box, the facer blades, and the upper jaw. These parts range anywhere from several hundred to several thousands of dollars, and all it takes is paying attention to where everything is before you move. And remember, don't rush the heater removal process. That's an easy way to ruin the heater or other parts of the machine. And finally, make sure you get a good secure lock on the clamping cylinder. Don't rush that process either. Make sure the cylinder is fully upright on the pad before locking it down. We take pride in the equipment we provide for projects all over the world. We want the experience to be as smooth as possible for you, and we hope this information will ensure a safe and damage-free job site. Thank you so much for your time.